Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into Telegram on your desktop. To learn how to keep watching the video till the very end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll instantly be notified as soon as we post a new video. First, before proceeding, make sure you have downloaded the Telegram application on your desktop. If not, simply visit your web browser and search for Telegram. Download from the search result. Click on Telegram Desktop and get Telegram for Windows by clicking the button. After you've downloaded the Telegram, simply click it open as soon as you open Telegram Desktop. It will look like this. Simply click on Start Messaging, and to log into Telegram on desktop, you'll need to scan the QR code from your mobile Telegram. Make sure you've also downloaded mobile Telegram on your Android device or any devices that you have, and simply go grab your mobile device and open Telegram on your phone. Go to Settings, Devices, and tap on Scan QR, and you'll be able to scan this QR code on your phone screen and you'll be logged in just like that. But if you want to log in using your phone number, then simply click on or logging in using your phone number. Now on the next page, select the country you live in, and the country code will automatically be typed in. Now enter your mobile number. As soon as you're done, click on the next button, and wait for the code to arrive. Now you can enter the code you just received on your previous Telegram application, or if you don't want to do that, then simply click on Send Code via SMS. Now an activation code will be sent to your mobile device. Go grab your mobile device and simply type in the code you received, and just like that you will be logged into Telegram on your desktop. That is how to do it. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.